The Freamsters, yo! Let's go!
Freamsters! Hello world! I'm watching some cars. We cleaned Brody's room. I got a fake knife. Ha! He's gonna take someone out with that thing, even if it's a puppy. Puppy! Get her. Good job.
Are you ready? Good job. Nav's is figuring it out. Having some oatmeal? Show me a big bite. Show me how you have a big bite. Oh, good job. Look at you.
You know what your next step is, Mav? Dinosaur eggs oatmeal.
Oh, yeah. Nom noms. Is it tasty? This is good? Do you like this? Delicious, guys. Thank you. I can eat oatmeal every day.
With Dad.
Have a bite. Show me how you have a big bite. Oh, show me how you have that big bite.
Like this. Mav, take a bite.
Maverick, do it.
Your turn.
Woohoo! You can do it. You got the skills.
Daddy.
You did it.
I can have some too, I promise.
Okay, after a quick spoon change, stop the screaming. Have a bite.
Take a bite.
Good boy, you did it. Good job.
You play that! Something like that.
Uh-huh. Look at how he's sitting.
I know, it's so funny.
It's like up on the corner of the couch. You love it up there in your perch? It's pretty cool.
Did you see that?
Pretty cool, dude. I did see
The
that.
Daredevil garage for Disney cars. We have like all the Disney cars. And you just have to like put them in the photo frame so we can see them, and then you can like play with them.
Oh, really? That's cool.
The Disney diecast cars. We have those.
Huh. Cool.
Awesome! Good job.
Hi. Wow. Cool.
Wow, look.
Is it nap time?
No, John Reed, this is our language.
Crushing the pedal.
Crush them.
You're gonna have to take care of this for her.
Okay. Yes. So that way, this is your
get the
final. You
rose,
get the
you get
final
the
rose.
for you.
Wow.
Ooh, cookie.
Oh, Nana, thank you.
Cookie?
One for that hand and one for that hand.
Because she knows
Did you say
that Maverick always has to have one in each hand.
Thank you.
that one's good.
Thank you. Can you give her a kiss?
No, it's totally
Nope.
fine.
Can you give me a kiss?
Well, there you go. Bye-bye, Nana. We love you.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
Maverick. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, family. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, John Reed.
I love you.
Say bye, Mav. Say bye.
Bye-bye. Mwah. Bye-bye. Mwah. He's like, I'm gonna eat my cookie. Super Mav and Super Dad. So cute. Super Fam. Come get us. This is our fun night. The puppies are freaking out and cooking dinner. We're running around the house doing Super Maverick. Here they come again. Oh my gosh, dogs. Brain working adventure going on the car.
Good.
Good. You just look like a spotlight.
Trying to make that stop happening.
Perfect. I'm gonna go make the dog stop barking because she's ridiculous. Oh my god. This one right here. This troublemaker. You. What is it you think you should do, huh? You think you should bark and wake the baby up? Don't bark and wake the baby up, Violet. That's not a good girl.
Yeah, I present to you the Freamsters, yo. Let's go. The Freamsters. The Freamsters. Free boys from free baby mamas. Empty ass pockets, all kinds of drama. Dad Cody, videos and guns. Running barefoot for the buddy. The rest is just for fun. Next up we got Mom Melissa, who's gorgeous and kind. Gorgeous and kind. And yo, I must say, what a great behind. Oh no, did I overstep the line? The oldest kid's Christy and the head of the wolf pack. So get back, yo, get back. The middle kid's Brody, we call him B-Money, cause he's handsome and funny, you know we'll get all the honeys. Then we got baby Maverick, the name says it all, he's the star of the show. Gonna be 7 feet tall, yeah, you already know. This is how the Freamsters roll. Yeah, Freamsters, Freamsters, yeah.
Okay, Freamsters, thanks for watching. If you guys made it this far into the video, click one of the links below, support us by doing that, and check out some of our other projects, or just leave a thumbs up to say you like the video, subscribe to the channel to get new content. We put it out every day, and leave a comment below about some of the stuff you saw, or if you have any questions for us. We're pretty good about getting back at those. Thanks for watching again, guys. Bye.
Yeah, I present to you the Freamsters, yo. Let's go.